Hello students, today in this video I am going to introduce the parts of speech and we will discuss these in brief. In the coming video we will discuss the parts of speech one by one in detail. Now, what are the parts of speech? Traditionally, parts of speech is a category of words, or we can say words are divided into different categories called parts of speech. These are 8 in numbers. See: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Let's try to understand how can we use them. So, the first one is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or idea. For example, Ram, Delhi, chair, happiness, etc. Or we can say a noun is a naming word. See more examples. My teacher is very hardworking. Here teacher is noun. Anita is going to Delhi. Anita and Delhi, these are nouns. Students, I have underlined the words that are noun in these sentences. Noun further has also few types that we will discuss in detailed session. Now, pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid the repetition. For example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, me, us, them, him, her, etc. Students, we use pronoun because we can't use the name every time in a sentence or paragraph. Okay? See the examples. Rima is my best friend. She always helps me. Now, I replaced Rima with pronoun she. Okay? We are playing football. Here, we is also a pronoun. Next is adjective. An adjective describes, modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, big, happy, green, fun, young, etc. Examples: the girl had a pink hat. One more thing students, we can use adjective to show the characteristics or quality of noun or pronoun. Here pink is the quality, or you can say the characteristic of hat. So pink is an adjective. The tree is very big. Big is an adjective. She is a brave girl. Now brave is the quality of the girl. So brave is an adjective. Next is verb. Verbs are the most important parts of speech. There can be no sentence without verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or state. For example, run, eat, etc. Okay, see the examples. I am writing a book. Here, writing is a verb. Okay. Next example, I am a teacher. Students, can you see that I have underlined am? Am is not a physical verb but acting as a verb. Okay. Am is actually the present form of verb be. So here am is an acting verb. Now coming to the next, adverb. An adverb describes, modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells how, where, when, how often, etc. Many adverbs end in ly. For example, slowly, quietly, happily, very, always, never, etc. All these are adverbs. Now, students, note one thing, that don't get confused between adjective and adverb. These are different. See the examples. I ate my lunch quickly. Here quickly is an adverb. Okay. The next, this flower is very beautiful. Here very is adverb. Students, I am using very to enhance the beauty of the flower. So very is an adverb. Next is preposition. A preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. They can indicate time, place, or relationship. For example, at, on, in, from, with, near, under, above, etc. See the examples. My books are on the table. Now, on is preposition. Students, I am using on to show the place of books, where the books are placed on the table. In next, I am fond of music. Here, of is another preposition. The next part of speech is conjunction. A conjunction joins two words, ideas, phrases, or clauses together in a sentence. For example, and, but, because, so, yet, if, etc. Okay. See the examples. 2 and 2 make 4. Here, and is conjunction. Okay, because it is connecting the two words 2 and 2. So we can say it is also acting as a connector. In the next, I ran fast but missed the train. Here, but is a conjunction. The next is interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings. For example, oh, wow, great, hey, etc. See the examples. Hurrah, we won the game. Hurrah, we won the game. Here, hurrah is an interjection. Okay. Wow, I passed my English test. Wow is also an interjection. Okay. You can see that these interjections have sign of exclamation with them. Okay. With these signs of exclamation, you can easily identify the interjections. Okay. So students, these are the parts of speech. In next class, we will discuss the parts of speech in detail. Till then, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.